In circle topic, in this third video, we'll discuss the next type of equation of circle. It is known as a diameter form equation of circle. So, if the endpoints of diameter, their coordinates are given, two endpoints are there, A and B, and their coordinates are given, we can find the equation of circle. There are two ways. One is by midpoint formula, find the coordinates of center, and then using the coordinates of center and one endpoint, find the radius using distance formula, and then by center radius formula, you can find the equation of circle. But there is another shortcut formula if you are knowing coordinates of the endpoints of the diameter. So we'll see how we can find that equation, or what is that equation. We'll consider a circle with center at C, and A and B are the endpoints of the diameter. A has coordinates x1, y1, and B has coordinates x2, y2. So we consider P as any point on this circle with general coordinates xy. This is the general point, and so we can join PA and PB there. So given are only two points, that is A x1, y1 and B x2, y2. These are the endpoints of the diameter. Their coordinates are given, and using this we have to find the equation of this circle. Now see the property which you have studied in 10th standard, that is the diameter subtends a right angle in circumcircle. That is the angle APB is of 90 degree. So here A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 are endpoints of diameter, and Pxy is any point of circle. That angle APB is equal to 90 degree. That is AP is perpendicular to PB, and in straight line we have seen that if two lines are perpendicular or line segments are perpendicular, then slope of AP into slope of PB, it will be equal to -1. So this is the property we have studied in straight line. Now we will calculate slope of AP and slope of PB. So we have the coordinates of A and P. So slope of AP is equal to this difference between y coordinate divided by difference between x coordinate, y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. I will call this second. And similarly we go for slope of PB. Again, the difference between y coordinate is y minus y2 divided by difference between x coordinate, x minus x2, and call this as number 3. Then 1 becomes. So what is equation 1? Equation 1 is the product of the slopes is equal to -1. So use these two values here in equation 1. It is y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. I will purposefully put the brackets in numerator and denominator separately. It's y minus y2 divided by x minus x2 is equal to -1, and transfer the term of the denominator to the numerator. Now on the left hand side we have division, so you have to consider multiplication here. So multiply by the denominator on the right hand side, and we'll get there. Y minus y1 numerator as it is into y minus y2 is equal to minus, multiply by the denominator on this side, it is x minus x1 into x minus x2. Once again, we will transfer this RHS to LHS, but not by multiplication division method, now by addition subtraction method. So here it has minus n on this side, it will become plus on another side, and we get the equation as x minus x1 into x minus x2. This term is transferred on RHS, plus the term which is already there on LHS is y minus y1 into y minus y2, and is equal to 0. And this relation is called as the equation of circle, because every point of P will satisfy this equation. And when any equation is satisfied by any point of the circle, then that equation will be called as the equation of that locus or that circle. So P, x and y satisfies this equation. Okay. Now see the beauty of this equation. The second term in first bracket in both the terms are x1 and y1. Second term in the second bracket in both the terms are x2 and y2. So x1, y1, x2, y2 are the endpoints of the diameter. If only their coordinates are known, just put those values there and get the equation. This will see example here. Equation of circle with a 1, 4, and we consider another point b 2, 3 as endpoints of diameter, as endpoints of diameter is, now just replace the value x1 y1 by 1 4 and x2 y2 by 2 3. So we'll get here x minus x1 is 1 into x minus x2 is 2 plus y minus y1 from A it is 4 into y minus y2 it is from B is 3 is equal to 0. So take the product of first two brackets and take the product of next two brackets. So this is x into x, x square, x into minus 2 is minus 2x, and minus 1 into x is minus x. So it will be minus 3x, 1 into 2 it is 2, plus multiply by y here. So y into y, y square, y into this minus 3 is minus 3y, and minus 4 into y is minus 4y, minus 3y minus 4y, minus 7y. See all the calculations carefully, or if you are getting difficulty, students are advised to go with one more step, it is of simplification. And 4 into 3, minus 4 into minus 3 minus 1 is plus 12 is equal to 0. And now we are getting this equation as x square. This is the square term. Another square term is of y square. Then this minus 3x, the first degree term. Another term minus 7y. And we'll combine the constants together. 2 plus 12 is 40. So we are getting this as plus 14 is equal to 0. And this equation is the equation of circle for which this A14 and B23 are the endpoints of diameter. So that's it with diameter form equation of circle.